All right, problem 18. Triangle FGH is inscribed in circle O. The length of radius OH is 6. They kind of show us that right there. And they tell us FH, okay, this thing, is congruent to OG. Great. So as I read, I just, took the information and put it in the diagram, annotated. But what's the question? That will tell us, what's the big idea we need to leverage, we need to use. And the question is bracketed. It says, what is the area of the sector? So what is the sector area formed by angle FOH? Oh, they want to know that sector area for this part of the circle. Okay, so I know sector area is equal to the area of a circle, pi r squared, times the central angle, that thing right there that we're looking for, all right, or that they're asking us to find, divided by 360. So they give us radius. That was kind. So we got pi and 6 squared. But the real problem is we don't know central angle. And it doesn't look like they told us anything about it. So there must be some other big idea going on. So make note, they tell you that the radius is this. And then they say, hey, one of your radii right here, that's equal. That's equal to FH. It's equal to this piece right there. Okay. Well, what do we know about all radii in the same circle? Well, they're equal. So if I know this radius, the one they told me about, OH, if I know that's 6, well, I know OG must also be 6. And because they tell me this statement, OG, which I just found out is 6, it's congruent to FH, well, that's also got to be 6. So this is 6. And since FO, that's also a radius, that's also got to be 6. Right? All of those segments in that circle that I've indicated, they're congruent. And what's neat is this triangle here is really an equilateral triangle, right? Side, 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 and they're all congruent. So I know in an equilateral triangle, not only are all the sides congruent, all the angles are congruent. And in fact, they'll be 60 degrees. It'll be 180 divided by 3, which is 60. So now I know my central angle. My central angle is 60 degrees. So I can now finish this. I can figure out what sector area is. So if I simplify, or you could type this into a calculator, minus the pi, because look, all your answers are in terms of pi. Let's see what's going to happen. Cancel, you get 6 over 36. Pi, 6 squared is 36. Well, 6 divided by 36, that's really 1/6, because that 6 goes into 36 6 times. So I'm going to have times 1 over 6. I'm going to turn this into a fraction to make it life a little bit simpler. 1 times 36 is just 36. Keep the pi there. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, well, 36 divided by 6 is just 6. And keep that pi. So is 6 pi one of our answers? Well, it's not 1, it's not 2, it's not 4. It is in fact 3. 6 pi.